Do you need to carry two e-bikes on your outdoor adventures? I have the product just for you. From Outfitter, we have the Easy Fold and Tilt Heavy Duty 2-Bike Hitch e-bike rack. Not only does this bike rack have a bunch of great features, it comes in at under $360. In this video, we will cover assembly, loading, unloading, all the great features, and of course, a test drive. Next on Mission Off-Road. Product is well packaged. It comes in at 58 pounds. Here you have the cradles that secure the front wheels of your e-bikes. Assembly is quick and easy, pretty straightforward. Comes with all the nuts and bolts necessary for assembly. First you'll need to install the main bar to the hitch. Next, install the tire cradles to the crossbars. Install the crossbars to the main bar. And finally, install the vertical post to the main bar. And here you see me installing the strap supports to the vertical bars. And there you have it. Took me maybe 20 to 30 minutes for full assembly. No weird instructions, no missing parts. Let's unload these two e-bikes. Remove the wheel straps from both wheels. And proceed to remove the strap from the center support column. The wheel basket is a real advantage as you dismount the bike. Get the first center support out of the way, now remove the straps from the wheels of the second bike. And again, remove the center support. With practice, it's easy to do. The bike rack weighs in at 58 pounds, is made of alloy steel and aluminum, can handle 200 pounds, has a beautiful powder coat finish, and nice looking welds. The front basket can handle tires up to 5 inches in width, and the rear cradle is adjustable for different bike sizes. This bike rack is only compatible with a 2-inch hitch receiver. So what's interesting is this hitch pin is threaded. It might be considered a theft deterrent system because I can't imagine any thieves would have the proper tools to remove this pin easily. But at the same time, if you're out camping and you need to remove this bike rack for whatever reason, you'll need to keep the tools with you to easily remove this pin. This heavy-duty swivel is the coolest part about this rack. Disengage the safety pin and pull the handle to lower the rack to allow you to lower the tailgate of your truck or SUV. Pull the handle again and push the rack up so it's conveniently out of the way. These two popular fat tire e-bikes at around 75 pounds each fit really well on this rack. After driving over 60 miles on my first day with this rack, I did not have to worry about any vibration that would cause this bike to touch my vehicle. It's time to go. Let's start with the e-bike closest to the vehicle. Let's start with the center post, strap in the front wheel, lock in that rear tire, strap in the rear wheel, place the second bike on the crossbar, strap in the center post, strap in the front tire, and strap in the rear tire. Make sure that rear cradle is locked in. Nice and sturdy. A bike rack review video would not be complete without seeing the rack in action. Here we have at least over 150 pounds of e-bikes mounted to this rack. In my opinion, the amount of movement is within my personal tolerance. As I said earlier, I drove over 60 miles with this setup and I didn't hear any sound and the bike never touched my vehicle. I've used my tow hitch in different applications, and one accessory to consider is called an anti-rattle hitch tightener. I want to give a huge shout out to OUTFITR for sponsoring this video and for sending out this great bike rack for me to try out. Check out their website at OUTFITRER.com. The link is in the description below. On their website, they have several bike racks for you to choose from, including racks that come with ramps, and they even have a bike rack that can carry up to 3 bikes. Aside from bike racks, they also have cargo carriers, winches, portable wood stoves. I encourage you to go check it out and find the perfect rack for your setup. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my 1984 Toyota Land Cruiser, check out this walk around video.